Welcome to our channel Dreamers 360. Today we are going to see 12th New History Unit 2 Rise of Extremism and Swadeshi Movement. Here first we are going to see choose the correct answer. First one, in the Surat session of the Congress, whose name was proposed by militant nationalists for the next Congress presidency? Here there are four options are given. Before going to the answer, let's see the explanation. Option A, Arvind Ghosh. Arvind Ghosh took to a spiritual path and shifted his base to Pondicherry, where he stayed until his death in 1950. Arvind Ghosh also lauded the Swadeshi effort and helped to promote the sale of shares of the Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company. Option B, Dadabhai Nauroji. He was the president of INC in 2nd, 9th and 22nd session of 1886 Calcutta, 1893 Lahore and 1906 Calcutta. In 1906 Calcutta session elected as the president by defeating Ferozshah Mehta and also elected thrice as the president of the INC. Option C, Ferozshah Mehta. He was chosen the president of Indian National Congress in 1890 at Calcutta session. He was founding member of Bombay Presidency Association in 1885. He started Bombay Chronicle as English language weekly newspaper. Option D, Lala Lajpat Rai, also known as the Lion of Punjab. During 1906 Calcutta session, the militants proposed Lala Lajpat Rai's name for the next Congress Surat session 1907 presidency, opposing the moderates candidate Rash Behari Ghosh. Therefore, the answer for the first one is option D, Lala Lajpat Rai. Next, second one. Consider the following statement. Here there are three statements are given. First statement, the partition of Bengal in 1905 was the most striking example of British divide and rule policy. Second statement, in the Calcutta meeting 1905, Surendranath Banerjee gave a call for the boycott of British goods and institution. Third statement, on 7th August 1905, at town hall meeting, a formal proclamation of Swadeshi movement was made. Let's see the explanation. With the failure to stop the partition of Bengal and the pressure exerted by the radical leaders like Bipin Chandrapal, Ashwin Kumar Datta and Arvind Ghosh, the moderate leaders were forced to rethink their strategy and look for new techniques of protest. Boycott of British goods was one such method which after much debate was accepted by the moderate leadership of the Indian National Congress. So far, the first time the moderators went beyond the conventional political methods. It was decided at the meeting in Calcutta on 17 July 1905 to extend the protest to the masses. Therefore, the given three statements are correct. Therefore, the answer for the second question is all the above, option D. Third one, match list 1 and list 2 and select the answer with the help of the codes given below. List 1 and list 2. List 1, Indian Press Act 1910, B, Dawn Society, C, Swaraj and D, Swadeshi. Before going to answer this question, let's see the explanation. A, Indian Press Act 1910 crushed the nationalist activities. Shorthand was used by the police for the first time to record political speeches. The Press Act of 1910 was legislation promulgated in British India imposing strict censorship on all kinds of publications. Balagangadhara Tilak was tried on charges of sedition and transported to Mandalay, Burma for 6 years. Later, this act was repealed by Lord Reading, and in 1921, on the recommendation of the Press Committee chaired by Tej Bahadur Sapru, the Press Act of 1908 and 1910 were repealed. Option B, Dawn Society. On 5th November 1905, the National Council of Education. The idea of education in vernacular language made its appearance much before the Swadeshi movement with the foundation of Dawn Society by Satish Chandra in 1902. In August 1906, Bengal National College and a school were founded. Option C, Swaraj, self-rule or political independence. In Bipin Chandrapal's view, Swaraj was the attainment of complete freedom from any foreign rule. Option D, Swadeshi, a revolt against the state of dependence. Swadeshi means of one's own country. The Swadeshi movement of 1905 directly opposed the British rule and encouraged the ideas of Swadeshi enterprise, national education, self-help and the use of Indian languages. The Swadeshi campaigns conducted in Tamil Nadu with particular focus on the role played by V.O. Sidambaram, V.V. Subramaniam, Subramania Shiva and Subramania Bharati. Now, We match this one. Option A, Indian Press Act 1910. The correct one is Crush the Nationalist Activity. Option B, Dawn Society. National Council of Education. Option C, Swaraj, self-rule. Option D, Swadeshi, a revolt against the state of dependence. Therefore, the answer for the third question is option C. Fourth one. Which of the following is correctly paired? Here there are four options are given. Let's see the explanation. Option A, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Anand Math, mostly read by revolutionaries in Bengal, and his another work, Saravati Chandra. The Bande Mataram song, which is the part of the novel, became the anthem of the Swadeshi movement. Option B, G. Subramaniam. G. Subramaniam, along with 5 others, founded the Hindu in English and Swadeshi Mitran, which was the first ever Tamil daily in 1904. In 1906, a book was published by Subramaniam to condemn the British action during the Congress conference in Barsal. Swadeshi Mitran extensively reported nationalist activities, particularly the news regarding Vauvosi and his speech in Tuticorin. Founded the Hindu newspaper where he criticized British imperialism. Also founded Tamil newspaper Swadeshi Mitran, co-founder the Madras Mahajana Sabha. Option C, Lord Minto, new Secretary of State to India in 1906, father of communal electorate. Option D, epicenter of militant nationalism. Here, the epicenter of militant nationalism represents Maharashtra, Bengal and Punjab. That means Lal Pal Bal. Option E, that means it's an extra one. The University Act of 1904, introduced by Lord Curzon, brought the Calcutta University under the direct control of the government. Therefore, the answer for the fourth one is A, option A. That means Bankim Chandra Chatterjee is Anand Math. Fifth one, Anushilhan Samiti of Calcutta was founded by. Before going to answer this question, let's see the explanation. Option A, Pulin Behari Das. Anushilhan Samiti was born in 1906 at Dhaka Revolutionary Movement. Option B, Hemachandra Kanungu. In 1906, he went abroad to get military training in Paris. After return to India in 1908, he established a bomb factory along with the religious school at Garden House in Maniktala in Calcutta. Option C, Jatindranath Banerjee and Barinder Kumar Ghosh, the brother of Arvind Ghosh, founded Anushilhan Samiti of Calcutta in 1902. The first Swadeshi dacoit to raise fund was organized in Rangpur in August 1906. Option D, Khudiram Bose and Prafula Chakki, 18 and 19 years old respectively, both are young revolutionaries. A conspiracy was hatched there to kill Douglas Kingford, notorious for his cruel way of dealing with the Swadeshi agitators. On 30th April 1908, they mistakenly threw bomb on the carriage, killed 2 English women. Prafula Chakki committed suicide and Khudiram Bose was arrested and hanged for the murder. Therefore, the answer for the question number 5 is option C, Jatindranath Banerjee and Barinder Kumar Ghosh. Sixth one, Ascension reason. Ascension. 16th October 1905 was declared as a day of mourning. Reason, that day Bengal was officially divided into 2 provinces. Let's see the explanation. In December 1903, Curzon drew up a scheme in his Minutes on Territorial Redistribution of India, which was later modified and published as the Risley Papers. The report gave 2 reasons in support of partition: relief of Bengal and the improvement of Assam. The partition of Bengal was officially declared on 19 July 1905. In response to this, a call was given to boycott official educational institutions, and it was divided that efforts were to be made to open national schools. Thousands of public meetings were organized in towns and villages across Bengal. Religious festivals such as the Durga Pujas were utilized to invoke the idea of boycott. Thousands of people took bath in the Ganga and marched on the streets of Calcutta singing Bande Mataram. Therefore, the answer for the sixth one is option A. Let's see, seventh one, Ascension reason. Ascension. V.O. Chidambaram established a Swadeshi steam navigation company. Reason. He wanted to oppose the monopoly of the British in navigation through the coast. Let's see the explanation. In 1906, Vauvosi registered a joint stock company called the Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company. He purchased 2 steam ships SS Galia and SS Love. The major shareholders included Pandidurai Devar and Haji Fakir Muhammad. As patronage for Swadeshi company increased, the European official exhibited bland bias and racial partiality against the Swadeshi steamship. Therefore, the answer for the seventh one is option A. A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Let's see eighth one and the last one. Which of the following statement is not true about Subramania Bharati? Option A. Bharati was the sub-editor of Swadeshi Mitran. Correct. Option B. He translated Tilak's Tenets of New Party in Tamil. That's also correct. Option C. Bharati's Gurumani was Swami Vivekananda. It's wrong. Actually, Bharati's Gurumani was Nivedita. Option D. He was editor of women's magazine by name Chakravardhini. Before going to answer this, let's see the explanation. Subramania Bharati. Editing Chakravardhini, Tamil monthly devoted to the cause of Indian women. A meeting in 1905 with Sister Nivedita, an Irish woman, a discipline of Vivekananda, he referred Gurumani teacher greatly inspired his national activities. Therefore, the answer for the eighth one is option C. If this video is useful to you, like this video, share it with your friends, do subscribe and click bell icon to get instant updates.